As you've probably noticed, people are using ChatGPT for all kinds of things these days. But one of the best ways you can use it is to generate a passive income in no time at all. In this video, we're going to introduce you to 3 genius ways to create passive income streams using ChatGPT, and we'll walk you through them step by step so you'll be prepared to start your new side hustle. Stick with us, because we guarantee you won't want to miss out on these money-making opportunities. Number 3, create Chrome extensions. We're going to make this clear straight away. You might need a few skills to execute this passive income stream, but we know loads of you out there know a bit of coding. This is the only thing on our list that might not be for all of you, but we definitely couldn't skip over it because it's a pretty great way to make a passive income. And we have good reason to think that. Google Chrome's AdBlock extension has earned a whopping $44 million in revenue since it launched, and it's not the only one raking it in. Also, sometimes ChatGPT's coding comes out just right and won't need to be altered, so you might not need any knowledge in the field if you're lucky. If you have an idea for a Google Chrome extension that everyone wants, you can sit back and watch your bank balance grow. But don't worry if you can't think of one. Remember, it's also possible to use ChatGPT to create ideas for you. Try prompting it with something like, "Give me some ideas for Google Chrome extensions which would be useful to a large number of small business websites." It might just have some great ideas. But for now, let's just use a silly example. Maybe it's Thanksgiving, and you want to make all web pages a little more holiday themed. You can use ChatGPT to create a Chrome extension that changes the word chicken on any website to roast turkey. Okay, it'll never sell, but it's good enough to show you how to use ChatGPT to create any Chrome extension you want. Here's how you do it. Go to the ChatGPT website and make sure you're logged in. Next, give ChatGPT your prompt. Try, "Show me the steps to create a Google Chrome extension script that reads content on a web page and changes the word chicken to roast turkey." And ChatGPT should walk you through the process step by step. It should look something like this. You'll be asked to create a folder for the extension files, and it'll give you the file name and even the code to put into the file. This will contain information about your extension. It should then ask you to create another file inside the folder. It will give you the name and file type again, and offer you the code that should go inside. This file will contain the script that modifies the web pages. ChatGPT should then instruct you to save the file. Then you'll be told to go to Chrome extensions and click on Load Unpacked before selecting the folder you just created. After that, you'll be able to test it and then monetize it to create a passive income stream. Often, ChatGPT will even give you suggestions on the different ways you can monetize it. ChatGPT makes the process simple enough that all you really need are a few good ideas. Who knows how much cash you could make by simply working out what people want? 2. Make printable products for Etsy. You'd be surprised how much cash you can make by putting up downloadable and print-at-home products for the Etsy market. These can be anything: birthday cards, motivational quote posters, resume templates, wallpapers for computers, digital invites, you get the idea. But the possibilities are basically endless. These could be digital or printable, and it's up to you which ones you want to make. As always, you can use ChatGPT the whole way through, including coming up with ideas. It could be especially useful to ask it for target audience ideas once you know what you want to create. Let's get going with an example so we can guide you through the process. Let's say for our example, we're going to be creating printable posters centered on motivational quotes for women in their 20s. The best way to start with this venture is to go onto Etsy and type your idea into its search bar. In this case, we'll type in printable motivational quotes. Now, scroll through and find the ones with good reviews that look like they're selling well. But your ultimate goal is to check the reviews. These will tell you what the people buying products like yours are looking for and what they don't like. This will help you create something that should be a hit. Try making a list of everything that people are talking about and all similarities between the top sellers you find. This is where ChatGPT comes in. Give it a prompt like, "Can you give me some examples of motivational quotes that will appeal to young women?" and see what it comes up with. You can take the quotes it gives you, or you can improve them with small edits. You can use ChatGPT for other kids of Etsy products too, including complicated design work like weekly planners. But let's stick to our example for now. After all, motivational quotes sell pretty well. But no matter what you're choosing to create for the Etsy market, you'll need one more important bit of software to help you out: Canva. Canva is great, not just because it's easy to use, but also because it offers you loads of free templates to help you get started. Not all of them are free, but there are more than enough to choose from if you want to start without investing money. On Canva, type in poster designs or motivational quote design, or anything else you think might lead you in the right direction. You'll instantly be shown hundreds of options that you can choose from. Simply copy and paste your motivational quote into the Canva template of your choice, and it has already done the hard work for you. You can customize the Canva template in any way you want. Now, you'll need an Etsy account. It's pretty easy to start one. You'll just need to fill in a little personal information and some details about your shop. But remember, listing a product will cost you 20 cents, and you'll need to list at least one product to open your Etsy shop. After that, it's important to edit your shop profile and make sure to upload both a shop banner. You can use Canva for that too. They have loads of Etsy shop banner templates to help you out. Remember to add a picture of yourself as the owner too. Seeing your face should make your customers more likely to trust you. Then click on Listings and add your first product. You can start with just one and keep creating new listings as you make more stuff with ChatGPT. Some sellers even create different designs using the same quote. But remember that the most important thing when listing your motivational quote printables is the product title. When filling out the product title on the Etsy listing, make sure you include keywords that will help your customers see your products. You can check out your successful competitors to see what words they use, but don't copy them exactly. And speaking of keywords, that brings us to the next way you can use ChatGPT to earn a passive income. Number 1, SEO optimization. These days, almost everyone has a side hustle. In 2023, it's estimated that 39% of the US population has a side hustle. But for most of them, it's not going so well. In fact, in one survey, over 50% of people with a side hustle were earning $100 or less in a typical month from their extra work. I know, it's pretty shocking, but a lot of that could be fixed with one simple thing: SEO optimization. A lot of people think that's pretty intimidating, but they don't know that ChatGPT can make it way easier than they ever imagined. There are many ways to use ChatGPT to improve your SEO. You can use it for the homepage on your website or for your product listings. But one thing people often forget is you can also create a blog that not only gets people buying your product or service, but also earns you extra cash from things like affiliate marketing or advertising. So we're going to focus on a blog in this section. It's super easy to use ChatGPT to write an SEO optimized blog for you. Here's how you do it. Let's say you own a cookie business. You want to earn money by selling your beautifully iced cookies and through selling online classes where you teach other people how to decorate cookies to a professional standard. Head to ChatGPT and prompt it by typing in something like, "Give me 5 SEO optimized article titles for the keywords custom iced cookies." ChatGPT will instantly give you options. Now, pick your favorite. You can save any other ones you like for later. Copy your favorite title and paste it into ChatGPT along with a prompt like, "Write me an SEO optimized 800-word article based on the target keywords custom iced cookies." And ChatGPT will instantly do most of the work for you. You don't need to be a good writer or have any experience in blogging or SEO to have a great blog post ready to go. But remember, it's pretty important to check it before you post it. You should copy and paste the article into Grammarly or similar software to check for plagiarism that could lead to serious problems for you. It's also a good idea to edit it to make it more personal and avoid AI detectors that could turn your customer base against you. But none of that is really hard work. ChatGPT has still done the big parts for you. Now, it's up to you how to use the article to suit your needs. The blog can be used simply to draw people to your website, or you can create a blog that earns money from adverts and affiliates, or both. And there you have it, 3 simple and effective ways you can use ChatGPT to earn a passive income. Have you worked out another way to use AI to earn money? Let us know in the comments. If we helped you, don't forget to like our video and subscribe so you don't miss any more great tips that could earn you real cash.